Shout out to Plan B and shout out to Crawler Innovation. Both supplying a lane. Crawler Innovations is the right lane.
Michael Vanilla, I like that. Remember that. All right, you have lane choice over Dallas File, who's running around here. The dude that has that rapid split in his back pocket.
Damn, this a 3-day event. Nah, it's just a 2-day event. They supposed to be doing something tomorrow. They supposed to be a little bit bigger tomorrow, and, or something. They're supposed to be like the smaller level. Hey, yeah, this supposed to be. Build a turbo Gia tracker, 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder with a standalone ECU. Appreciated the sub, Rob, one time.
All right. Wait, I can't see, guys.
Fu Manchu, 34. Dang, me and my partner, my uncle, we named my homeboy Fu Manchu.
Michael Douglas going to the money round. Oh, I'm sorry. That was Michael B going to the money round. 307 to a 320. Reaction times were almost
Fu Manchu.
Dallas had him on
I wouldn't even put the I, but I guess it go in there.
To drive around him to take the win and go to the
Gifted
finals.
SS.
And Dallas.
I know a dude we call Fu Manchu. Yeah, I got a homeboy, we call him Fu Manchu, man.
They do get, I believe it was 5% of the purse in that class. So that's a little bit more for Mr. Dallas as he adds to his winning pot.
Yeah, I got a partner named
Some of these pots, guys, will be paid.
You must got one of them long James Harden type beards.
Those numbers, we want to make sure
that's the reason that we named my homeboy Fu Manchu.
Young Gunners was different because they didn't have a pot, so we already paid those guys out. And thank you for all the donors that donated to the Young Gunners pot. All right, Mark Murdoch. Michael Douglas, drivers, Pro Tree. Watch the lights. Go.
Blue car for the win. I couldn't even tell. But I didn't even know if I was holding the camera good.
Right there. Both of them.
I don't even know if I was holding. I don't know if I was holding the camera good.
Yeah, at least he started off straight this time. He wasn't going to the side. Yeah.
Oh, I was stoner from a different boner. Booner. Okay. Damn. So is that what Fu Manchu was known for? But do you know Hong Kong Fooey, #1 super guy, Fu Manchu? Oh, you know a Fu Manchu.
All right, so here we go. We're going to take pictures tonight. That was a great question for our winners and runner-ups. Money will be paid out and dispersed in the morning before we start racing tomorrow.
I got them new Lookout Racing beanies coming out, man. He said I got about another week on them.
Here we go.
I think I'm going to go and get some ski masks done, too. Lookout Racing ski masks. I don't know how I want them to look. I'll probably just get them embroidered like I do the regular beanies. Yeah, I have Lookout Racing.
All right, folks, so there's literally 2 classes left. It's 5:33. We have a semifinals in the Summit Street Eliminator class and the Summit Pro Street Outlaw class.
Oh, you got a long mustache.
Racers.
I knew it had something to do with some facial hair. My partner, he
So
He got some long facial hair.
whenever you
What y'all doing in there,
yourselves
man?
ready to go,
I'm ready to go
let me
get
know.
some
We'll run
food.
down finals. As soon as you guys can turn those cars around. I'm gonna go find Hoodie. I'll be back.
I want. Oh well, I want some dessert, man. What a dessert is? A piece of cheese, huh? Yeah, miss. Let's try a cupcake, miss. He gave a bad review on the cupcake.
I think it's a 10, but you will
The one in the, what kind you got, miss?
chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate and vanilla. I'm gonna take vanilla. I'm vanilla. Man, now I'm finna get one of them cupcakes. You said wasn't no good. I'm finna try it though. I'm gonna be the judge now and tell you if it's good or not, man. I'll be the judge. They told me don't be scared to be the judge. You wasn't scared, so I ain't gonna be scared. Right, miss? Ain't that right? Okay, she said I'm doing it right. Let me see this. Thank you, miss. It don't even look that bad, man. You talking about they were ugly. You talking about they were ugly. Oh, yeah, it ain't that bad. Look at it. Look at here, y'all. Uh-oh. One more. There we go. I don't usually like all that much icing. You hold it that way. Get everything ready. All right. That cupcake pretty good, y'all. I don't know what he's talking about. That's a good cupcake. He don't know nothing. He don't know.
He wouldn't know.
Yeah.
They were good. The chocolate's good.
Oh, the chocolate, the vanilla good. The vanilla good. I would say it was if it wasn't it. It actually got a good rating on it. It actually got a good rating on it. I usually don't eat that much icing. Hey. Hey, thank you, ma'am. Thank both of y'all. And happy birthday one more time to you, miss. That was a good dessert. Studio. Let me go over here to the track.